Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin rights and a restore point before changing user control settings, so create one now. Once done, sign into an administrator account and open Control Panel or Settings. Make sure to keep another admin account available in case you lock yourself out. Now open the Control Panel, choose User Accounts, and click Change User Account Control Settings to begin. This gets you into the exact panel where Windows prompts and permission behavior are configured, which is safer than random registry edits. You will now change the UAC level and, if necessary, local policy entries. This controls elevation prompts. First, in the UAC slider, set it to never notify and confirm the prompt. This immediately stops interactive consent dialogues. Next, open Local Security Policy, SecPol. MSC, if available, navigate to Local Policies, right arrow Security Options, and disable Relevant User, Account Control Policies to prevent prompts for administrators or elevation. Finish by restarting the computer and testing an action that formally required consent so you confirm UAC changes took effect. If prompts still appear, check Group Policy Editor, gpedit. MSC, for domain or local policies that override your settings, and adjust those entries or contact your administrator. If something goes wrong and you lose admin access, immediately boot to safe mode or use your created system restore point to revert. That single restore point is your safety net if policies or registry edits create problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.